Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to MEPH. I'm your tutor and self-care. If you're new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Do well to subscribe to the channel and share the link of the channel to some students out there struggling in English or maths, okay? Alright, so let's get right into today's question. So it says 15 men complete a job in what 6 days? So we have 15 men and what 6 days? So we have, okay, let me bring that out. We have 15 men, okay, connect them to what? 6 days. Okay. Now, how many men working at the same rate will be required to complete the same job in 9 days? All right. So now what they gave us there is what? 9 days. Okay. Now, this one, I'm going to use a very easy concept. If you have watched our previous videos, we've worked on things like this. So when you are given a quantity of men and you're dealing with days or time, it has to do with what inverse word proportion. Okay, but for ease and to simply solve this in 1-2 quick step, I'm going to apply the concept, okay, of we have in this case MDD, okay, concept of MDD. Okay, what do I mean by concept of MDD? So to solve this, all we need to do is we have men day. So men day, what I mean by men day is men multiply day. So divide by what day? Okay. So with this simple formula, we can be able to solve this and arrive at our answer. So if you look, okay, you have to start the first line, which is the first statement. We're given men, we're given days, yeah. And finally below, we're given what? Day. Okay. So all we need to do is let's, substitute all this into this and, have our answer. So we have 15 men. It's going to multiply what? So we have 6 days. And we are going to divide what? By D, MDD. So MD and D. All right. So 9 what? Days. So this is going to cancel out this, okay? So we are left with what? Men, okay? Because the question says, how many what men? Okay, so we are looking for the number of men, that will do the same work at the same rate, okay? Now, with this left, we can now do this simple what? Division and multiplication. So let's work it out. So we have 15 men times what? We have 6 divided by what? We have 9. So we can cancel out, okay? 3 can go into 6 is what? 2 times 3 can go into 9, which is what? 3 times. So we are left with 15 men, okay? Times 2 divided by what? 3, okay? Something can cancel out. So 3 can go into itself is 1 and 3 into what? 15 is what? 5 times, all right? So 5 men times 2 is going to give us what? So we have 10. So we have 10 men. So the solution to this simple problem is what? 10 men. So it is required that 10 men, okay, are to do the job in 9 days. Well, let's check if that is actually true. Now, when we have 15 men, they did it for 9 days, okay? Now we have 10 men. 10 men are lower. We have lesser men, all right? So the less the men, the more days that they will do. And if you check, okay, 10 men did it for 9 days, which is more days, okay? All right, so that's a simple, problem on inverse proportion on, this word problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe and continue to share the link of the channel to some students out there. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.